A golden rule on how to use SMT divergences. Okay, the smart money tool. Okay, the number one thing that you need to remember and keep in mind is that you don't just look for SMT, but price must reach a certain terminus first. Okay, if price has been going down, it should reach an area of interest. It may be a liquidity pool on an old low or order block on higher time frames. Okay, just like here, this is GU. Okay, and I'm on 30-minute time frame. Price has been bearish for the whole week, previous week, up until the week that has just ended. We've been bearish aggressively. This was Friday's low, the weekly low. We then trade on Monday here. Tuesday we go down aggressively below last week's low to grab liquidity, and then it drops this nice lower low right here. This is an SMT divergence against the Euro USD pair. If we check the Euro USD here, 30-minute time frame as well, we do not have a lower low, we have a higher low right there. We have a higher low. This happens right after we have reached the terminus on GU. We reached the low of last week's trading. So this move going down right here, the terminus was last week's low. We reach it, we then form SMT divergence. We now know that this is gonna be a very nice buy when it forms nicely on Tuesday. We know that this is likely to be the weekly low, so we look for longs up until we reach another area of interest or terminus on the upside. All right, so this was a very nice buy. After seeing this this SMT formed here, we've got a very nice favorable gap formed. That's a buy right there going up. Okay, so Euro USD had a very nice favorable gap as well after forming SMT divergence. If you put your buy limit order just below the upper end of this fair value gap that was formed after SMT divergence has been formed, put your sell limit or your buy limit order there, protect below this low right here. This could have been a very nice swing trade up until we reach daily time frame bearish order block, which was our terminus for this week. Another thing that you should take note here is that as GBPUSD reached below last week's low, EURUSD didn't get below last week's low right here. This by itself is another huge SMT. It's another huge smart money tool, because this one never gets below last week's low while GU gets below last week's low. So we've got two confirmations already confirming that we are having a reversal to the upside. A strong dynamic move to the upside is about to take place. All right, so I like the EURUSD on this one here. It had a very nice bearish order block that was very clear as our terminus. We reach it right there. Okay, we then have a very nice SMT divergence formed after reaching what? Terminus. Right, bearish order block reached on daily time frame. SMT divergence takes place again to symbolize that we are going to have a strong push to the downside to target liquidity pool, internal range liquidity pool in a form of daily fair value gap. All right, that's how I capitalized right here. Very nice trade. Here is the divergence. This one here printed a higher high, whilst the Euro USD on the other side printed a lower high after Euro USD has reached daily bearish order block, which was the weekly terminus or draw on liquidity. So you can see that SMTs can actually mark the beginning of a very strong move, either to the upside or downside after reaching higher time frame terminus. Thank you so much. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified whenever I upload these valuable videos. I'm building a very strong community of profitable traders on this channel, so your contribution by liking the video and sharing the video is very appreciated. It actually motivates me to do more of these videos. So stay tuned. See you on the next one.